Live from Chicago, Illinois, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. No distribution should be construed as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Let's talk about what's going on in the marketplace. As you can see, the VIX is up pretty nicely over the weekend, and if you look, it's not like the market's doing much. We are flat with the VIX up $1. Why? Brexit, Brexit, Brexit. People are worried. You can clearly see that there is some serious fear in Brexit. You can see the kink in the vol. You can see where vol futures are bid. You can see where VIX futures are bid. And if you look at VIX, let's look at VIX. Getting a nasty move out of the VIX futures today. Nice move higher in June. A nice move higher in June 22. The Julys are up big, back over 19. The Julys went from below 17 to above 19 in 2 days. Even though VIX was up most last week, it took the futures a while to catch up, and boy, are they catching up. You know, we're almost to flat, but the market feels like it wants to give some of this away. There's a lot of pent-up fear. We still have a lot of fear based around the Fed to some degree. Not the same, but to some degree. And really, we were given a long period of time to look at this stuff. And now, if you look at VIX and you look at VVIX, VVIX is now 107. Let me show you the chart of VVIX. We spent, I think, a week begging people to buy bull 1 by 2s, different types of VIX options. Well, it's taken a move like this, and look at just the way VIX vol has exploded. I mean, VIX itself is up nicely. I mean, you can see it's a nice little move. VVIX is just sick, the way that exploded. And if you look around at candles that big in VVIX, they tend to lead to other bad things. All right. Generally speaking, we view this week as potentially really negative relative to kind of the rest. We think that there'll be some Brexit polls that come out saying, again, that it's in big favor against voting against it, that the polls are going to be strongly in favor of leaving, and that then the market will sell off, and by the election, there will be a relief rally, potentially out of the election. All right? This will end up being nothing. It's like the taper tantrum, but there is a serious vol event embedded in it. So we could see VIX going to 20, and the S&P only down 30 or 40 points, maybe 50 at the most. What kind of trading do we like? We're kind of proponents of some of the bear trades that, you know, some bear put spreads, different things like that. We like some more direct bear trades and things like EWU, the United Kingdom. We think they're going to be down all week. You know, the 15 puts, if I could buy these for a dime, I would buy them all day. On a personal level. Like, these are too cheap if I can pay a dime. And there you go. Because there is a strong chance that Britain could continue to sell off. Other trades we think could make some sense, bearish EWG, EFA as a whole, kind of all of the European indexes. We would note that EEM has shown some strength. All right. But this is one of those cases where vol appears to be swelling and does not look like one to be faded. It looks like one where maybe you believe what's going on. All right, folks. You got any email? If you got questions, you can call me at 88trade01. You can email me, mark@optionpit.com. Have a good